I'm here with Lindsay Brandt from Timpanogos Legal Clinic. Lindsay, why don't you tell us what you do for them?
Yeah, so every Tuesday night I volunteer online via Zoom at whenever I want. Typically for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. The clinic goes from 5 to 8 every Tuesday night. It's via Zoom, so it's super easy to do from anywhere. I actually do it from my home. So I literally sit at home on the island in my kitchen with my computer open, and I just, the clients come into the room that I'm in. It's like a breakout room session sort of thing, and I just take one back to back depending on how many clients we have that night.
What do you do exactly?
So it just depends. Every Tuesday night we just get a variety of clients, right? So anything from landlord-tenant disputes to debt defense questions, tons of family law stuff, which is what I do. I'm licensed to do that. So I spend a significant amount of time coaching people through forms, answering their legal questions, helping them advocate for themselves. It's really nice because it's not something that's continual and ongoing, right? So it's about 30 minutes typically. They ask me a few questions and then I help them go advocate for themselves. So it's just that basic, can I do this? Well, sure. Or no, you can't. So it kind of gives them a way to move forward with some of the questions that they have, or even sometimes just get started. We have the same advice on Tuesday nights that we would give to our clients in a private practice setting, but we just don't follow them. So it's really great. It's a chance for us to kind of meet with clients, help them with their individual needs, and then move forward and send them on their way. So it's the exact same advice. It's just not a continual, we represent you through trial sort of a scenario.
You've volunteered for 3 years. What's the drive to do that?
And it's so great to be able to just meet with a diverse, group of people. It's just a wonderful feeling and experience to be able to meet with different people in the community, to really be able to understand and see really where the issues are that the community is experiencing when it comes to accessing justice. There's so many different questions, and the legal system is so complex and nuanced that it makes it really difficult for individuals to really understand sometimes even how to get started or where to go. And there's so many questions that they have, and the law is so specific sometimes in terms of what you're allowed to ask for and what you're not, and what's reasonable and what's unreasonable. And sometimes, you have questions about discovery that's voluminous, and it really just helps to be able to meet with individuals and kind of coach them along in terms of what they're legally allowed to do. And it's quick and it's efficient, and it's just really great to be able to serve the community and provide them access to justice that they wouldn't have just hopping online and reading the court rules.